Welcome. In this video we are interfacing ultrasonic sensor using Arduino and measuring the distance. So this ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance between itself and this pen. So as you can see, the distance it is measuring is 10. Now if I move the pen away from it, then the distance will also increase. So as you can see, now I have moved the pen to a wider distance, so the distance is also increased. So now we will see the connections, and if you have to see this output, then you have to see the output on the COM port. So the output is displayed on the serial monitor. Now let's see the connections. So we have connected the trigger pin to the pin 5 of Arduino and echo pin of ultrasonic sensor to the pin 6 on Arduino. So as you can see, this is the sensor and it has 4 pins: VCC, trigger, echo and ground. So VCC is connected to 5 volt on Arduino, trigger pin is connected to pin 5 of Arduino, echo pin is connected to pin 6 of Arduino and ground pin is connected to ground of Arduino. And so this is the code, and in this code we used to interface the ultrasonic sensor with Arduino, and this code is not available as an example, so we have to write this code ourselves. So I hope the connections were clear to you. So you can see the connections. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share and subscribe the channel.